welcome back. This time we're looking at the installation custom job that we did here in the shop, and it's a Atlas GP38, and we've got two of them. One of them is already buttoned up, and then the one on the left we're showing you the guts on the inside. So right here towards the front you can see where we have the first TDS mini SuperSonic, and then there's another one here at the end of this board back here. We did have to manipulate the OEM enclosure and get rid of that in order to accommodate the TCS motherboard along with the 21 pin decoder. So guys, taking a look at this from the side, again, the front of the locomotive, here we have the front speaker, and then you can clearly see here at the back side where we cut that original A-frame down, and you can see how long these TCS motherboards are with the caps, and then you can clearly see here that 21 pin decoder mated down, and then Lou was able to fasten another TDS mini here on the back, just using some simple rubber cement. So guys, just to point out how we did the wiring, on the front side you can see this blue common wire coming off the board underneath, and then you can also see the white for the headlight there. Here's our two of the wires for the first speaker, and then going down the side here you can see the gray wire going to this this side of the motor. The orange up here you can see going over to the other side of the motor, and then hard to see right here, but then you have your red on top, that's your right side pickup, and then your black wire is for your left side. And then moving to the back of the decoder, again you have your red for your right side pickup, your black wire right there for your left side. Here's your second set of speaker wires wired in parallel coming off of the speaker output, and then along the top here going to the rear headlight you have your blue common and your yellow function output. So guys, just again in review, the Atlas GP38 with two of the TDS SuperSonics, the minis, and then we have the TCS motherboard with the Keep Alives, and then the 21 pin decoder going on top. Hey, so for more information on decoders, installs, DCC, and other cool stuff, come on over, check us out over at tonystrains.com. Give us a call, 800-978-3472, or you can always flip us an email, info@tonystrains.com. Let us know if you like what you see, and otherwise guys, we'll be back soon. Later.